Okay, so I am trying to lose a little weight, be a little healthier, just turned 60, and I know one of the things that are my downfall is I don't drink enough water. So my daughter had this at my birthday, and I loved it, so I ordered one of my own. And here's what I love the most. So this gives you how much water you have to drink, and this gives you the inspirational sayings, but more than that, you know we're supposed to drink 2 of these a day. So if you look down the side here, you have what you're supposed to drink: 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10, 11, 12, 1, and then you go back up again: 2, 3, 4, 5. So I guess this is what you're supposed to drink your first half of the day. You're supposed to fill it up and drink it the second half of the day. Well, this is how bad of a water drinker I am. It is now 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm only at my first go around. So at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I am lined up with 11 a.m. I am 4 hours behind in my water selection. But here's what I do know. Being at this part at 3 p.m., I said a.m., I'm sorry, p.m., in the afternoon is much better than I'm supposed to be. Where am I supposed to be? Yeah, I'm at 11 a.m. and it's 3 p.m. I should have already finished this and been up to here. What I'm trying to say is that I know I'm behind, but I was much worse. This is actually keeping me accountable to try to be on track, to try to drink more, to know that I have to fill this up twice a day. If I could just get through it once a day, or at least start being on time, even if I do 1.5, because I probably will stop drinking at 1.5, because otherwise at my age, I will be up all during the night. But at least it's better than what I'm doing now. So I love it. Love the top. It comes with its own little sippy. It actually comes with another one with a nozzle, and I think I took that off and it's still in the dishwasher, but I would love to show you, and I know it's in the picture. I love the clear. I love that here's the water calculations. You know, you could also use this if you needed a measuring cup, because it's got the measurements here. But these words that make me so happy and inspire me: get started. Remember your goal. Keep going. Don't give up. Almost there. You did it. I can't wait to get to you did it. But I love this. I love the rubber feeling on it. It's just, these are really great, and they come in so many colors. So if you're trying to get on track, this certainly helps. And there's my dog. He wants his water too.